Hi there and welcome to my channel. My name's Marina and today I'm going to show you what I got in my very first Lip Monthly bag. So here it is. Let me rip it open. You know, I always do these and I always forget the scissors. Okay, so the bag looks like this. It's pretty cute. And inside, there are 4 lip products. So the very first item we got was the Luritzy Velvet Liquid Lipstick, which retails for $20 in the shade Swoon. Let's open this guy up and see what the color is. Ooh, that's beautiful. Very nice. Let's go ahead and give this a swatcheroo. So, one swatch. Very nice. Ooh, it smells good too. Trying to pinpoint the smell. I want to say it's caramel, but it's not. Ooh, maybe like a butterscotch chocolate. I don't know. My whole snifferoo is all messed up. Alright, next we got the IBY Feather Matte Liquid Lipstick, which retails for $12. And the only other thing I have from this brand is the eyeshadow that Heather gave me in my giveaway that I won. And this is pretty. Ooh, that smells like cookie dough. It smells really good. This is in the shade Flirt. It smells really good. All right, one swatch. Ooh, very pretty. Next we have Lord & Berry Ultimate Lip Liner, which retails for $19. And that's just a regular red lipstick. That's one swipe. Make it a little bit thicker. Very beautiful. And then, last thing in our bag, we got the City Color Hydrating Lip Balm, which retails for $4. So, and here we are. It's in the flavor Strawberry, and it's a hydrating lip balm. I don't think it's tinted, but I'm not sure. The theme for this month's box is Girl Power. Here is the descriptions and everything. The entire box retailed for $55. I believe that I bought this for $5 with the promotion or coupon that I got going on with it, but I think that it's normally $14 a month. I think it's a great deal for this month. I'm happy with everything that I got. I don't know if I will continue using this just because I am doing the BoxyCharm and I just signed up for Ipsy. So we'll see. This is almost dried down now except for the little dollop I got. I think those look very nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing I did. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my last collaboration I did with Heather and go check out her channel and videos. They're really awesome and she's got a lot of cool looks that she puts together. If you guys are interested, I accidentally, where's the makeup wipe when you need one? If you're not already, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I do have a Facebook page under Marina Massacred, and everything will be linked down below or in the cards if I figure out how to do them properly this time. Alright you guys, have a great one and I will see you next time. Bye. Very first Lip Monthly bog. And I don't know if I had shown the box or not.